Hey guys, Fazman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix iOS issues such as iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, iPhone black screen or iPhone stuck in recovery mode. If you are facing the same problems, you are going to love the tool that I am sharing with you today. It's called TenorShare Reboot. The software is capable to perform anything related to the iPhone issues without even losing the data. The download link of this software is available in the video description. It has both Windows as well as Mac version. After installation, launch the software. It can repair 150 plus iOS issues like stuck on Apple logo and black screen etc. And one of the best features of Reboot is that it allows you to easily enter and exit recovery mode just by clicking on a button. With this, you can also reset your iOS device to factory settings. So to fix iOS issues, click on Start. So here are two repair modes, Standard Repair and Deep Repair. Standard Repair can fix the most common iOS system issues without data loss. And Deep Repair can fix even more serious iOS system issues, but it will cause data loss. I suggest that you go to the advanced mode only if the standard mode fails. So click on Standard Repair and connect your iPhone via USB cable. The tool automatically detects the model type of your iDevice and displays available iOS system versions. You will be asked to download the latest firmware. Choose a location where you want to save the firmware and click Download to download the latest firmware package. Wait for the firmware package to be downloaded. It will take some time due to about 5 GB firmware package. Once the firmware package is downloaded on your computer, click Start Standard Repair to start system recovery. It will start the repair process. The whole repair process will take a few minutes. After the repair is done, your iOS device will automatically reboot and all your data will not be erased. Click on the Done button to close the setup. You are ready to use your fixed iPhone. So whether your iPhone is stuck in a boot loop or you just can't get it to work, TenorShare Reboot can fix your problems within minutes. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.